Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and let's enter the Google. As you can see, we are logged in, however we do not have the option to log out right here, so we have to go back and go to users and accounts, which is at the top. So let's tap. Here we've got our accounts, so let's begin with removing them. Let's tap on the specific account and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account and it will immediately disappear. Let me remove all of them. Just repeat the whole process, and if we've got only one Google account, then this process will look like that. So a little bit different, a little bit longer, more verifying your decisions. So you will have to enter your screen lock, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. And of course, if you wish to add the account, you can do it right here in this Google section. It's quite easy, just tap on sign in, or you can do it using users and accounts. So it's up to you. Tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. I forgot about that. I forgot to mention that. And confirm everything, of course. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's totally up to you. Just make sure that you've got one. And here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. All right, and tap on next. Right here we have to enter our password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the proper option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.